మీ పిల్లలు ఫారెన్ లో చదవాలనేది మీ కల మీ కలను నిజం చేసే ఏకైక సంస్థ విదేశ్ కన్సల్ట్స్.
Today you are in an event where the witness awareness is happening. So how you take that?
Like even social media lo ila cheyali ala cheyali ani chaala untundi. But the way that Sandhya garu, when she was mentioning how
facing so many things and coming out, it's a great victory. I think that's an inspiration for all the youngsters there. What do you have to say about that? How you came here?
I said, no, I was not stressed. The thing is, you might not know if you are actually stressed or you are actually depressed or whatever. But
so what is your food lover?
I love sununda. Shooting, they keep telling me I can have at a go 10 sunundas at a go.
So like how this industry, like you know, you came into, is always your passion to be in this industry only, or there was a second option also?
If you ask me what you're going to do if you're not an actor, I don't know. I would at least do something.
Favorite actor you love to work with? There always people ask you, right?
I love to work with Shah Rukh Khan.
So what about the Tollywood?
Tollywood, of course, Mahesh Babu garu.
Telugu industry is making a big mark. It's a pan-India. How you take that? Like next time, if somebody asks you, okay, can you go for a proper Hindi movie? What you will say that?
I've already done a Hindi film with Akshay Kumar. Bahubali's industry, that's how they, you know, even if you're abroad, that's how people recognize you. So I think
Welcome to my show Trendsetter. Well, today we have a guest, Dimple, who's very fitness freak, and what makes her fit? Let's find out more details from her only. Dimple, thank you so much for giving the time. As you always, you know, wonder about the fitness awareness, and today you are in an event where the witness awareness is happening. So how you take that? First of all, coming to the event and about this.
It's been a while that I've actually focused on my fitness right now, because I've been little traveling here, there, and I've been off track. So when I met this lady, Sandhya garu, the way towards fitness, the way towards wellness actually. Ante in general, manam gym ki vellali, healthy food tinali, detox, adi idi ani cheppesi. There's so many, you know, norms. Ante manaki even social media lo ila cheyali ala cheyali ani chaala untundi. So but the way that Sandhya garu, when she was mentioning how naturally, effectively an approach can be, have impressed me. So that's why I'm here. And
what kind of freaker you are? Like when you realize that actually a fitness is very important part of a life. When you realize that?
Oh, it was quite a long time. I've had one of an issue which I don't want to mention. I realized quite young, and then
what was your age that time?
I was 16 years old.
So young.
So
yeah,
I'm still young.
Yeah, you are.
So it's just been 7 years, but then for me at that point, you know, visiting doctors, having medicines was a no-no. So I took a conscious decision to not have any you know, medication generally to use for your body. So that's when I realized I think I should start working out. I should start setting my timelines and, you know, my lifestyle change or whatever. It is not just because of my career, but also in general for myself. So that made a drastic change. So,
and nowadays, you know, youngsters, a lot of competition is all around.
Yeah.
We go through the mental depression. These words are becoming more viral words. How you take that? Because you were in 16, you're already facing so many things, and coming out, it's a great victory. I think that's an inspiration for all the youngsters there. What do you have to say about that? How you came here?
So when I was 16, the doctor, she was like, I think, are you stressed or something? Why do you have to go through something like this and all? I said, no, I was not stressed. The thing is, you might not know if you are actually stressed or you are actually depressed or whatever, but you will only end up knowing after a point when your health actually gives you a checkmate.
Yes.
You know? So that happens time and again. Your body reminds you. So your body is such a beautiful temple. You know? I think this is one of a quote that is being told to one of my colleagues, a co-staff. So yeah, but I think the approach towards wellness has to be from within you. It's not something because somebody told something or this manak teliyali em cheyali anesi. So and sleep, food, everything has to be.
So
right.
What is your food lover?
Oh, I
you
eat
always
a lot.
love.
I love food. I never did any diet or anything. I just eat what is home.
Okay.
So what is and intlo ఏది చేస్తే మమ్మీ ఏది చేస్తే అమ్మ ఏది చేస్తే అది తింటారు.
But there is no
So-
particular food you can eat so many times. You'll not say,
yeah,
I got
eat
bored.
I love sununda.
Okay.
So even in shooting, they keep telling me I can have at a go 10 sunundas at a go.
Oh
So-
my God, great girl.
Yeah.
So like how this industry, like you know, you came into, is always your passion to be in this industry only, or there was a second option also?
No,
in
never
life?
option B, because
Wow.
I've already told in many interviews actually. I never had any option Bs or
Actress,
you know,
industry.
if you ask me what you're going to do if you're not an actor, I don't know.
That's the
I would
way.
at least do something, be a light girl,
Okay.
or be behind the camera at least, or something if I was not an actor. But I was always wanting to be an actor.
That's a great inspiration.
actress,
Or
so-
one struggle you can share with them, you know, with your girls, you know, who are your fan following huge, you know, they want to make it their point also in the industry.
Yes, that is so true. But struggle, I've had my enough of shares, so I think not one. But as of now, we all can get through if I can get through. So
Yes,
that's all.
and your future projects, and we are excited to see you more
I
because
have
you already
lined
made a big mark in India, Telugu industry.
So I've lined up a couple of Tamil films and also Telugu films. All of that are going to be announced. Till then, it would be very unofficial for me to announce it. So I'm waiting
One
for
project you're very eagerly, like, you know, you can say, and you know, fans
I'm
will be-
really actually eagerly waiting for one of my Tamil project. That is going to surprise you. Yeah.
And the favorite actor you love to work with, they always people ask you, right?
Favorite actor to work with?
Yeah.
I love to work with Shah Rukh Khan.
He's my love also. So what about the Tollywood?
Tollywood, of course, Mahesh Babu Garu.
Okay.
And Prabhas.
Prabha, these are the ones you need to capture the
Actually,
world.
everybody, you can't just pick one. Yeah, if you to ask me, I think India Garu. There's so many people like Ramcharan Garu.
Yes.
Although I'm just still, I still have to work with all
But
of
the
them.
Telugu industry is making a big mark. It's a
Yeah.
pan-India. How
Yeah.
you take that? Like next time, if somebody asks you, okay, can you go for a proper Hindi movie? What you will say that?
I've already done a Hindi film with Akshay Kumar. It's quite long time when I was 17 years old. That was quite cameo at that point, but working at that point when I was working, the approach towards Telugu cinema is different. Now it is different.
Yes.
So now if I go Bombay and then there's somebody who just say, "Oh, are you from Bahubali's industry?" That's how they,
Yes, there's a
even if
lot
you're
of
abroad,
change.
that's how people recognize
Yes.
you. So I think there's a lot of change. I think for that, hats off to Rajmouli garu.
Oh wow, that's a great thing. So I think later we can do more interviews.
Yeah.
I want to really have a lot of questions in my mind.
Yeah, I know.
Your food and everything. So what one message you would like to give to yourself and to your fans? First to yourself, every day you give.
For myself, have enough time that you want. I mean, have your own space, chill, relax, and learn to say no.
And one
Yeah.
line for marriage and love. What
Marriage
means
and
to-
love. For me, like I mentioned, right now, relationship is all about you. It's all about how you feel. Respect yourself and then start respecting others.
Wow, loved you, Dimple. It was
Thank you.
wonderful. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you.
So that was a wonderful messages given by Dimple. So for more updates, keep watching I Dream.